As a trader, one thing you cannot ever forget is money management and how you treat your trading account. One thing a lot of people don't do is they don't actually put stops in the market. Now I know some of you might be saying, well, I do keep a mental stop. Well, the problem with a mental stop is if a trade is going against you and it's coming close to your stop and you're seeing, your account's going to be a whole lot smaller once that trade stops out, a lot of people will move their stop away from price. Now, I've done that before. A few years ago, I did that with a Forex trade. I was a 4-hour chart and I got stuck, and I just kept moving my stop away, and my risk when I started the trade was 1.5% of my overall account. When the trade finally stopped out, it was 6%. So I've done this myself. But one thing I like to do is try to make things as automated as possible. And one thing I use is NinjaTrader. Now, this is not an endorsement of this trading platform, but for me, it's something I've been trading with since I basically started trading. And it just been pricey for the license and fees. But if you're a member of Premier Trader University, you do get a discount on that if you just email NinjaTrader. And if you're looking for more information on Premier Trader University, here's the link right here. But one thing I really love about this platform is the on-chart trading. Now, there's people trade off the NinjaTrader Dome, which is fine. For me, I have my reasons why I don't like to. When I'm using on-chart trading, I can actually, now I'm off line right here, so I don't have any data. But what happens here is simply this. If I'm in a trade and let's say this is my stop, and there's a candle right here. That's a horrible candle, but I'm trying to draw here. There we go. 1 second here. Yeah, I'm not an artist, that's for sure. There you go. So here's my red candle. This is my stop. What you can do in NinjaTrader, when you're using on-chart trading, if I'm using the trading dome, I have to come over here. I have to see where the high of this candle is, go back over to my trading dome, and adjust my stop. With on-chart trading, all I would do is I would just grab the stop here, and I would just pull it down and release it over here. So I can actually pinpoint exactly where I want my stop to be, and I don't have to waste time going back and forth. And it's actually easier just to drag it to market structure such as swing highs, swing lows, whatever you're going to do with your stop. That's one. The other thing that's really great with on-chart trading is, let me just adjust this here for you. You go over to here, Chart Trader, and you'll see this little down arrow. Click on that, and there you go. You have your on-chart trader. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is the ATM Strategy. What this does, it makes things a whole lot easier for you. It's all automation. All right. So it doesn't matter what market you're trading. Okay. So let's just pop open this right here. You click right here, this little box, and you see you have ATM Strategy Custom. So now what you're going to do is you're going to design your own strategy for whatever market you're trading, whatever strategy you're trading, however you manage your trades. So for example, let's say in this market here, I trade 4 contracts. Okay. What I would come over, and let's say I just want to get out at one target. That's all I want. Here's my 4. I would plug in my stop loss. Let's say I'm going to 10 points. In the YM, it trades points, not ticks. My profit target would be 20, for example. And I would right click, manage ATM strategy templates. I would just name this, let's just name this test 1. And I would save it. So now, whenever I would take a trade, let's just close that up here. Whenever I would take a trade, I would just come over here to this drop down box, put my test 1. And now when I buy or sell, whatever I'm doing here, my parameters will show up on the chart and I can just drag them. But it gets better. Let's bring it back up again. So now we're here. You see it says stop strategy. I don't have one. Let's make one. So now what I'm going to do is this. Let's say I want to move my stop to break even +1. Well, when am I going to do that? So let's say, using the template we have here, my profit target is 20. Let's say that when I'm within, when I in the money 10 points, my stop will automatically go to break even. Let's put plus 1 or 2 to pay for commissions. Okay, you're going to go here, manage stop strategy templates, and we'll go test one stop. Save that. Press OK. Now here, test one stop, right? It's all set up. Go back over to manage ATM strategy templates, save it here, and press OK. So now what's going to happen when I get into the trade, you'll see over here my ATM strategy is test one. What will happen is I will press buy or sell. My profit target will be automatically 20 points. My stop loss will be 10. Once price goes in my favor, 10 points, the stop will automatically move up and lock in a couple of points. I don't have to do anything. It's taken care of. And all I have to do is look where my stop is placed. If my stop is close to market structure, if it's close to a round number, if it's close to, an area that I feel, or I can objectively say, you know what, this would be a better support area or resistance area to hide my stop behind. All I got to do is just click on the line, which is not on the chart, but all I got to do is click on this line and drag it to wherever I want to go. That's the stop. But that's not as far as this goes. This goes even further. Now, what if I do this? What if now I have two targets? Let's say I'm still trading my 4 contracts. I would do this. So I got 4 here. My stop loss is at 10, right? And it's at 20. So that's what I'll do. Click on 2 targets. Now I have 2. So over here, I've got 2. Over here, I have 2. So the stop loss is going to be what? The same, right? For both positions. Now, my first profit target is going to be 20. Let's double this to 40. So now I'm looking at 40 points. Let's make it the same stop, okay? When it's in the money 10, it's going to lock in 2, okay? You can also trail here. Personally, I like to trail differently. I'd like to do that myself around market structures. But what this does, it just gets you set up in the market. So now this is what I know. I know that I'll get in the market with 4 contracts. The stop loss for both, right? Both units, so 4 contracts, is going to be 10 points. When I get plus 10, I'm going to lock in 2 points. Take the risk entirely out of the trade, make a small profit to pay for commissions. When I get to 20 points, this first section here, well, it's going to close out 2 positions, right? 2 contracts, right? And in the Dow Mini, it trades at $5 a point. So what do you got there? You got $200. And then what's going to happen is these other 2 are going to ride up to 40 points. What I would usually do here is actively manage the trade. This is more for day trading, right? If I was swing trading, I don't swing trade futures, but for the spot Forex market, things are totally different. But over here, I'm going to actually manage the trade a little bit better. I'll see my profit target down here, but I'll be a little bit more hands-on as I go for the bigger profits. So that's what's great about the ATM strategy. And I think that if you're a day trader, this is, especially a scalper, this is so important, because as you scalp, things are happening so quick. It's very nice to have certain things automated, as opposed to you having to react, within seconds sometimes during fast-moving markets. So I hope this helped you out here. This is just touching on here. Download the NinjaTrader platform. I do believe there is a demo you can use. Right? Check this out for yourself. And if you are looking to purchase it, check out Premier Trader University, their trading courses. And if you're a member of Premier Trader University, you do get a discount on NinjaTrader. All right, so that's it. Let's wrap this up. Thanks for watching. Hope you picked up something.